And it's on to the fire, I guess. Oh, what's the sticks? Extra sticks.
Second night. Yay! Ito ang aming magandang host.
Yan.
Wow! Always available. There you go. This is our second night. Maganda yung tent, in fairness. Kasya kaming apat. We had a very nice sleep last night. Ayan. At ayan. Ayun. May ka-tent pa kami. And there.
Apoy is maapoy.
Yeah, ginabi na matapos. Let's have a tour inside. Hello! Where's the door? Hello, Faye! Okay, let's... Okay. Pwede siyang pag-ganon, anak. Malaki naman pala, Dida. Look.
Papapagayin, pwedeng papagayin.
Doon.
Yes.
Doon, anak. Doon, doon.
There.
Faye, look at mommy. Doon.
The other side. Yes.
Anak, the head should be there. Ate, Faye, look at mommy.
The other side. The head.
The head. Yan. Malaki naman pala. Kala ko ay nanliit siya. Okay. Our inflating... We would just open. Open mo yung other side too. The other side. Window. Okay. That's it.
See? It fell up by itself, Mommy. It fell up by itself.
That's one room.
Let's see what's their room going to be. But now, look at our bed. Yo!
Tent is ready. And the bonfire is ready.
I want to play with the bonfire.
Ayan, mag-disco na si Faye.
Hi!
Turn off mo muna, anak. Okay. Wow.
Hi, Blackie. What are you doing with my mom's skirt a while ago?
So we're gonna have this.
Ihaw-ihaw. Habol sa lamig. Habol sa lamig. Kung malamig pa nga. Parang mainit na. O
Iba-iba.
na-overwork lang tayo. Ihaw-ihaw.
Likaw yung dalawa.
Yung sa labas.
Ito, oh, may upuan dito. Ayun sila, oh. Oh. Para kayong nasa cave. Nandun kayo sa ano? Sa ano yun? Yan pala. Wow. Ayos ah.
Hindi nyo lalagyan ng ano? Tama na yung ano?
Kaya?
Kaya na naman.
At pala doon natin, sir, nilagay sa mismong apoy, oh.
Ano yan? Aso yung lulutuin mo?
Sa salabang baboy.
Ngayon sa amin, yung aso at kambing.
Wow.
Lalagyan ng mga ano? Sisilaban na.
Wow.
Ihaw tayo.
2,000 more. Oh. Luigi, in the snake game, what level are you now?
Meeting friends.
2? I'm level 5.
We're having this.
I'm level 9.
Kambing ulit. Habol sa lamig.
May campfire pa nga eh. Paano malamig?
So Luigi, but he's always nyam, nyam, nyam me. I'm gone.
Have you eaten your dinner, Luigi?
Mommy, look.
What is it?
Phone.
Wow, new phone? Wow.
It's an old phone.
Old phone, but you put it in the box.
Yes,
Wow.
Mommy, Luigi's side is already broken.
La? Hi! What are you doing, guys?
Grilling marshmallow.
Grilling marshmallow.
Luigi, flip it.
Why do you have
It
two?
will stick on the...
Let's make it very creamy, okay?
Why you make it cream?
It's on this bird.
Is it crunchy on top?
It's look like it's going to be sketchy.
More. Grill it more.
I will make it like this. 2 seconds. Daddy said don't put it down.
Lower.
I think I made it.
Grilling.
That's so fun. Why is it?
I want to make it like in marshmallows.
Ano marshmallow?
God,
Marshmallow.
marshmallow. Cheesy.
How is it? Stretchy?
More.
How is it?
Needs more.
It's more.
Here's the last one.
Hi. This is our tent. This is Mommy and Daddy's room with a cozy bed. And let's see our room.
Ta-da! Wow! Wow! And let's see the light.
The light is up here.
Yun.
I can't see. And this is our bed. This one we just got it, and it's very cozy. It needs air, but it can pump by its own. That's amazing. Thanks for today. Bye.
turn to the fire again. Oh, what's the sticks? Extra sticks. Second night. Yay! Ito ang aming magandang host.
Yan.
Wow! Always available.
Parang yan.
There you go. This is our second night. Maganda yung tent, in fairness. Kasya kaming 4. We had a very nice sleep last night. Ayan. At ayan. Ayun. May ka-tent pa kami. And there.
Ganda ang apoy. Ang apoy is maapoy.
Okay.
And turn to the fire again. Oh, what's the sticks? Extra sticks. Second night. Yay! Ito ang aming magandang host.
Yan.
Wow! Always available.
Parang yan.
There you go. This is our second night. Maganda yung tent, in fairness. Kasya kaming 4. We had a very nice sleep last night. Ayan. At ayan. Ayun. May ka-tent pa kami. And there.
Ganda ang apoy. Ang apoy is maapoy.
Okay.